Are you ready to start investing but worried about making mistakes that could cost you thousands? You're not alone. In this video, I'll share 7 game-changing tips every beginner investor needs to know to avoid costly mistakes and build real wealth. Stick around. Tip number 7 is the one mistake even experienced investors keep making. Hey everyone, welcome back to Financially Savvy. If you're new here, I'm Belinda, and I simplify personal finance and investing to help you achieve financial freedom. Today's video is all about helping you kick off your investing journey with confidence and clarity. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more practical tips like these. Tip number 1. Start with a clear goal. First things first. Set your investing goals. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or simply building wealth? Knowing your why helps you choose the right strategy and timeline. Remember, investing without a goal is like driving without a destination. You're bound to get lost. Tip number 2. Don't wait for the perfect time. Waiting for the perfect time to start investing is a mistake. Markets fluctuate. That's their nature. The key is to start now, even with a small amount, because the power of compound interest is on your side. As the saying goes, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. Tip number 3. Diversify your portfolio. Ever heard the phrase, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket"? It's especially true in investing. Diversifying your portfolio by spreading your money across stocks, bonds, ETFs, and even real estate can reduce risk. If one investment underperforms, the others can help balance it out. Tip number 4. Beware of emotional investing. Emotions are the enemy of good investing. Avoid panic selling when markets dip, and don't chase the hype of hot stocks. Stick to your plan and remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Quick question. What's the biggest challenge you're facing as a beginner investor? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to help. And if you're looking for tools to get started, check out the links in the description for some of my favorite investing platforms. Tip number 5. Avoid high fees. Did you know that high fees can eat away at your returns? Whether it's mutual fund expense ratios or trading fees, these small percentages add up over time. Look for low-cost index funds or commission-free platforms to maximize your gains. Tip number 6. Educate yourself constantly. Investing is a skill, and like any skill, it requires practice and education. Read books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham or watch educational videos, like this one. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Tip number 7. Avoid timing the market. Here's a big one. Don't try to time the market. Even the pros get it wrong. Instead, focus on time in the market, not timing the market. Consistent investing over time will often outperform those who jump in and out. Let's recap the 7 tips to avoid costly mistakes as a beginner investor. 1. Set clear goals. 2. Start now, don't wait. 3. Diversify your portfolio. 4. Stay calm, control your emotions. 5. Avoid high fees. 6. Keep educating yourself. 7. Focus on long-term investing, not timing the market. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to building a solid financial future. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, Share it with a friend who's starting their investing journey. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video. Check out these videos next for more investing tips. Thanks for watching, and happy investing.